Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to move Steam games from one PC to another quickly, easily, and without downloading everything again. Whether you've got a shiny new computer or just want to declutter your main system, this guide will make the process painless. First things first, fire up Steam on your current PC. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your account credentials. Once you're in, head over to your library, where all your games live. Find the game you want to transfer, right-click it, then select Manage, and click Backup Game Files. A new window will pop up asking you where to save your backup. Choose a folder with plenty of space. An external drive works perfectly here. Click Create Backup, and Steam will start packaging your game for transfer. Depending on the game size, this may take a few minutes. Once the backup is ready, move it over to your new PC. Again, using an external drive or any transfer method you prefer. Open Steam on the new PC and log in. Then click the Steam menu in the top left and choose Restore Game Backup. Navigate to the folder where your backup is stored, select it, and hit Restore Backup. Steam will ask you where to install the game. Pick a location with enough space and let it restore. And that's it. Your game is now on your new PC, ready to play without having to re-download gigabytes of data. This method is fast, simple, and saves a ton of bandwidth. So there you have it, a complete hassle-free way to move your Steam games from one PC to another. Give it a try, enjoy your games on your new setup, and as always, happy gaming.